Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel's Crafty Twins, where we bring faith to life through crafting. Today we are going to create something special to celebrate two incredible saints, Saint Faustina and Saint John Bosco. They are two of my favorite saints. I hope this craft reminds you of their love for God and their joyfulness. Let's start by drawing two circles vertically using a bottle cap. The circles should slightly overlap each other. I have used here a cap that's slightly larger than the bottle cap of a milk container, but you can use basically cap of any size. Draw the images of the saints. I have used the upper circle as the outline for the halo and the lower circle for the outline of the body. Make sure everything that's drawn stays within these circles. Sketch the outline using black markers and color the saints. I also wrote the names of the saints, Saint Faustina and Saint John Bosco. Saint Faustina is known for her deep devotion to the Divine Mercy. She spread God's message of divine mercy and the love of God to the world. Her life teaches us to trust in God's compassion and in His plan. In His time, He will show that plan for us. St. John Bosco, or known as Don Bosco, dedicated his life for the education of young children, especially those who are poor and abandoned. He had a passion for teaching them the love of Christ. I'm just coloring these with the sketch pens. You can basically use any markers or crayons or color pencils to color the saints. I just kept it very simple using sketches and colored using black markers. As you have seen, I just used outline for the halo and then colored yellow inside. We celebrate the feast day of Saint Faustina on October 5th and the feast day of Saint John Bosco on January 31st. So you can use this craft for All Saints Day or for the feast of Saint Faustina or Saint John Bosco. You can draw the image of any saint. It doesn't need to be Saint John Bosco or Saint Faustina. We're going to cut the image along the border. After the saints are cut, I'm going to take the bottle cap that we used for drawing the outline and then going to fill the play-doh inside the cap. I'm only filling half of the cap and then I'm just going to check whether the cap swings. Just give a push and then you can see it swings. After the bottle cap is ready and swinging, I'm going to apply glue. You can apply any type of glue and then stick the saint. Just make sure that it can easily swing. If it doesn't, just remove it and then try to do it again. So I have kept the back of the cap open, but if you want to keep it presentable, you can cover the back of the cap with a circular paper, or you can cover it with the shape of the same saint that you have used, so the front and back looks the same. So that's it. It's a very simple craft. I hope you enjoyed this and it inspires you to learn more about saints. Remember, no matter where life swings you, trust in God's plan and keep your heart full of joy. Thanks for crafting with us today. See you next time. Bye.